Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about the cases. Cases on a cell phone store are 90% of the cases that you're going to buy in your first opening a store. You're probably losing your money. First, you're not going to know if you're buying right or buying wrong. You're not going to know your market really highly, that you're not going to know your market. You're going to be on a market that you don't know. Because you can, in this area where I am, as you can notice, 99% of my customers like iPhone. But it took me around 2 to 3 years to find out that 70% of cases were Samsung that were not selling at all. I have put out on the trash but multiple bags of cases, and I still have a bunch in the bag. About $3,000 in cases. But they leave the money. If you know how to buy cases, if you know how to sort stuff, you're gonna get nice cases that they're gonna leave a good profit. You gotta make sure you push them to, because if a customer comes in and they got a screen fix and you're letting them walk out of your store without a case, then you're wrong. Hey, you need a case. I think you need a case. You just spend $90, $100 on the screen. You're not gonna get a case. Boom, and offer them a good case. We try to offer this Autobook style case. They're good. They're bumpy. The phone has a high distance from the floor that we're gonna make a separate video about it, on the difference on cases, because they're different than a lot of cases. Not all the cases are the same. But again, 60-70% of the cases that you're gonna get your first time are not gonna make it to the customer, but they are needed. Why? Because they fill the walls. They fill the walls. When the customer walks in, they see all these cases. Their eyes get filled, and that's what you need to then introduce other things. You want to make sure you get nice cases, all the styles, different styles, protective, bumpers, rings, anything. So make sure you are ready when the first customer walking into your store, because that's when I'm going to keep them into your store. So guys, see you later for the next time, for the next advice.